It didn't take much. That is crazy. The color changed, everything changed. Like I didn't do anything but put the product on there. For the girlies that are looking for new hair products, and I mean new hair products, I got you covered, friend. This is called Watch and See Beauty. It's one of the newest collections on the market, and we'll be doing a full demo and review today. So let's go ahead in the shower, and we'll be using their wash day products, and then I'll meet you back here for styling. Rule number 1, never style your hair on dirty hair. We are starting off strong with a wash day session. I drench my hair in water, and after a while, the water soaks into my hair, making it heavy and strong. Before any wash day products go into my hair, it is crucial that my hair is properly saturated in water so the products can better absorb into my curls. This is called See How Clean Shimmer and Shine Detangling Shampoo. Just look at the shimmer. It is the first product that we'll be using from the Watch and See collection. This shampoo gently cleanses, washes away impurities, and does a good job at coating the scalp. I do coat my hair in oils and serums throughout the week, so the shampoo does a great job at breaking down all that dirt and grime, turning my scalp back to clean and healthy. So all the Watch and See products are infused with seaweed and sea kelp, which helps boost shine and moisture. I do rinse and repeat this step 3 times before moving on to my deep conditioner session. Now that our hair is clean, let's bring back some moisture. This is called See the Repair Deep and Continuous Flourishing Mask. It is so thick and exactly what my curls need. It's important that you apply your hair mask section by section so it can properly absorb into the deeper layers of your hair strands. This flourishing mask delivers rapid, deep repair to damaged curls, restoring strength and moisture. A few key ingredients to this mask are water, of course, aloe vera juice, castor oil, hibiscus oil, peppermint oil, rosemary oil, ginger root. I mean, do you want me to keep going? I do allow this to sit on my hair for about 10 to 15 minutes before moving on to detangling. It's important that you detangle under running water. I learned that it's so much easier this way. I lose less hair fall because running water helps detangle natural hair. I take it one step farther by applying the See the Softness leave-in conditioner. All their products have the same fruity floral scent. It smells so good. I could literally bathe in this. This leave-in delivers intense hydration and long-lasting softness, so it's the perfect product to go into styling my curls. All right, so we are back from our wash day. We did a little steam session and now we are ready to style. Let me go over the products that we're going to be using. Of course, we're using all Watch and See products, y'all. Y'all already know these products have been amazing. So I have with me the Rehydration Spray. This is to refresh and revive, and it's biotin enriched. And we'll also be using the Watch and See Cast Your Curls Poppin' Jelly. Interesting, okay? So we'll be getting into these 2 products shortly. And I also have here with me the towel. This towel is so nice, y'all. If I can back up and show it to you guys, hopefully you guys can see. It has its symbol on like both sides right here. Or its logo, I'm sorry. The logo is on both sides of the towel. And then once you put it on, this is your front piece. So let me see if I can show y'all real quick. So you just put it on like that right there. And then you take it like that. And it's a microfiber towel. So it's non-damaging to the hair, but it dries very quickly. And you just pop it in just like that and tuck it on down. That's it. Because it's a microfiber towel, it is going to soak up any excess water, but it's going to be non-damaging to your hair. It dries very fast too, might I add, honey. So right now we do have the leave-in conditioner on our hair. I did sit under a steamer, so most of the leave-in conditioner actually got sucked into those curls. And now we're ready to style. We're going to be doing a wash and go, which I'm really excited about because wash and goes are really not my favorite style at all. But I want to try out this Poppin' Jelly. It says that it's extreme hold and frizz free, so we will definitely see. It's gonna be our first time using this product, so I'm really excited. Let's go ahead and prep our hair. The first thing I want to do is just make sure that my part is on the appropriate side. There we go, just like that. And we're gonna be doing a wash and go, so let me start breaking down the hair. You guys can see the leave-in is definitely still in there. It just has to be twisted in order to see it. I'm gonna go ahead and part this side down also. When you are working in small sections, it's important to twist everything up and out the way. This way everything just stays kind of hydrated. So I'm gonna actually do something different with the back. Normally I'll just split it in half. I've realized that if I split it in half, I have like a part that is really hard to get rid of. So I'm actually gonna break this down into 3 sections in the back instead of 2. And hopefully I'm able to hide my part a little bit more. All right, we might as well start here because this is the side that we have out. Okay, so I wasn't recording because I just wanted to test out the product, and now I'm ready to show you guys what we're working with, because wow, that those results, yeah, they just hit kind of hard. All right, let's do that again with a brand new section so you guys can see fully what's going on. I'm actually gonna break this section down into 2, and I'm gonna go ahead and apply the rehydration spray first, get a little bit of rehydration, and I want you to peep how the curls look right now. Again, a little bit frizzy, not defined. They're a little curly, but the curls really could pop a little bit more. So I'm gonna work that rehydration spray into my hair. It smells so good, y'all. And I'm really excited that all the products in this collection have like the same minerals, the same ingredients. It comes with sea kelp, seaweed, and algae. Hence, watch and see. Most of their ingredients come directly from the sea. And if you go on her Instagram, she'll explain like the importance of using certain minerals from the sea and how that sets her brand apart from others. All right, so let's go in with the Cast Your Curls Poppin' Jelly. Cause girl, OMG, y'all, this is like a really, it's so thick, but when you touch it, it has like a ooze to it. It's really thick. Okay, so here's the curls before, just with that refresh spray. Let's go ahead and start to apply the gel or the jelly. Oh my goodness, y'all. I mean, it didn't take much. That is crazy. The color changed, everything changed. Like I didn't do anything but put the product on there. Oh my goodness. Okay, so I do have here with me the Bounce Curl Define Brush. We gonna try. We gonna try and see what happens. I don't like using brushes on my hair. I feel like it just, I don't know. I feel like it made it more frizzy than anything. Like, you remember how it looked before? I'm sorry, but it's like frizzy again. Like, nah, we're gonna stick with our hands because that's the best tool. Now I gotta apply a little bit more, just a little bit, friend, a little bit. Yeah, I prefer using my hands. Like, for whatever reason, I cannot use brushes and stuff on my hair. I have to just use my hands if I want it to be super defined. And that's not to say, I know people who can use brushes and stuff, but me, if I want it to look like this, like, if I wanted to look like that, I gotta use my hands. Like, how cute are those curls, y'all? I am so impressed. A little bit of definition, but not much there. It's kind of poofy. And I just spray as much as I want, the refresh spray on there. I'm probably gonna wind up using this whole bottle. It smells so good. It's like kind of milky. I like that, okay? Okay. Here we go with the jelly. I really am loving. I like that you guys can actually see, like, it's not even something I can just talk about. It's something that you guys can actually see working, which is great. I'm kind of like squeezing it down the section too. Really, really nice. Like, oh, Courtney knows how to make some products, y'all. Like, she really understands natural hair care and what it is that black, well, I don't want to say black, but what it is that curly girls need. Because you can have curly hair and not be black, but this is by a black-owned, female-owned brand, and I'm just so impressed. That is crazy. Oh my goodness. I am just, y'all, I'm in awe at how well there is no frizz. Now, of course, we have to let it dry and see what's what. So far, really good.
Apple of my eye and apple bottom jeans. boots with the fur, Y2K on your seams. Puff in my chest, trying to act for the scene. Cause I'm trying to get low, eat everything in between. Trying to get low, be my yin yang twin. Twin flame, insane, you should cue with them hips. Said your Q rate, put me on to your mix then. If you free for the weekend, for you at Knicks plans. Please don't let me down, feeling like a Knicks fan. If you ghost me, we still meeting through my 6 cents. I'm just playing, no but really. When you're with me, no such thing as 50-50. I ain't tripping over digits like many men. Girl, I know it takes safe hands to handle all of that. Since you mentioned it was names you used to.
Alright guys, so this is how the back section is looking. It's already starting to dry, and I did go ahead and take care of that middle section too. Now we are at the front. Now the front definitely does not cooperate how the back does, but we still gonna get her done, y'all. We still gonna get her done. So this is my next section right here. Just gonna throw everything else I'm not using just kind of out the way. And we're gonna start with the spray. The spray has been holding it down, y'all. So here's my curls. They're definitely a little bit more looser in the front than in the back. But let's go ahead and see what it's giving. So I went ahead and added the spray on there. See how it's like not really that defined, little frizzy at the end. Now we're gonna go ahead and take the Cash Your Curls Pop and Jelly. And I'm gonna just start out with a little bit since this section really isn't that big, and I'm like kind of painting it on there. Goodness, this is so nice, y'all. Feels good. So much slip. Goodness, she really did her big one with this jelly. Really did her big one. So I just smooth it all in my hair all the way down. It's like it's crazy how it just slurps it up. Oh my goodness. I'm gonna add a little bit more to those ends. Make sure my ends are straight. And then I am also going to go ahead and just pick and separate where it like naturally is clumping at. And kind of just squeeze and drag those sections down. Here is how the curls look. So pretty, so curly. Well, not like so curly. Got a little curl though. Got a little curl. It's very defined. That's what I would like to call it. But it's cool. Yeah, a lot of people comment under my posts and say they have curls just like me. They're not really that tight. They're a little bit on the looser side. And that is totally fine. You gotta learn to love your head, baby. That's like a thing that took me a long time to do, is just love my curls just the way they are. I make sure I stay up with my trims. I make sure I keep up with my natural hair products and all my techniques. And I'd be good to go. That's it. How your curls are exactly how God wanted them to be. So love them. All right, so we put that spray in. Oh, that spray smells so good. Now we're gonna do the jelly. Not too much. I've been working on like not using a lot of product this year because I can overdo it, especially when it comes to like the deep conditioners and stuff. Like I will glob it onto my hair and it's not really necessary. So I'm just so, oh my goodness, y'all, I cannot believe that this is really how this product is looking. Like I'm shocked at how like it really just slurps. Would you slurp it? Like, girl, slurp the curls right up. Got the curls together all the way. This is crazy, y'all. So naturally where it just kind of wants to pool and separate at, it's exactly what I'm doing. You guys can see we have like 5 little curls right there. Didn't take long at all. So pretty. Hey y'all, so I am back. I went ahead and finished my entire head. As you guys can see, this side we did first, so it's about 50% dry, and this side is wet. And it's crazy because you know how sometimes when you apply products you can tell like they're white and product-y and you can see them until they dry, but for some reason I just finished this side and you can't even tell. Like it looks like it's already starting to dry. It's crazy. So this is the results, how they look wet. Super cute. That's crazy. So what I'm gonna do right now is go ahead and dry my hair to 100%. We're gonna use the Shark Hyper Air, and it's probably gonna take me anywhere between like 20 to 30 minutes to get my hair dry. All I'm gonna do is just flip my head over so everything's right in front of me, and I'm just gonna be like blopping.
Magnificent.
Okay. Okay, y'all, I am just so in shock. I cannot stop looking at my hair. How did you do this? Oh my goodness, y'all. It's like a soft crunch, a soft hold, but there's so much definition. That's crazy. Oh my gosh, I'm so happy. Before we close out, I am going to use one last product, and this is their Scalp to Ends Flourishing Oil. Cute. I'm going to go ahead and just pop this actually in my scalp because I want my scalp to stay hydrated, and I just have like a problem with dandruff. So I'm going to apply this oil all on my scalp, and then we're gonna go ahead and apply it on our hair. It smells really good. It smells like all of their products from this collection smell the same. It's like a sweet floral, like I don't know how to describe it. It's kind of like oceany. It just smells good, girl. It just smells good, girl. All right, so I applied it to my scalp. I'm just working that in, and we're also gonna put some on our hands because I want to apply this product. I don't know if I showed it to you guys, but this is how it looks. So I'm just gonna go ahead. And I'm not really breaking the cast because it's like, it's like a soft crunch. Like it's not hard at all. Not hard at all. I'm just putting some oil up in her. Just wow, even I laid my edges with the poppin' jelly and it stayed, like she's stuck. I'm so happy. So if you guys have not tried Watch and See, this is called the Flourishing Collection. Clearly my hair is flourishing. I never liked wash and goes, but I'm starting to learn I just never liked the products. Once I found a product that actually works for my curls, that's when my wash and goes are starting to pop, y'all. And what I'm excited about most is I want to see what my hair looks like on day like 3, 4, and 5. I don't know if I'll come back here and show you guys this because I have a video editor. I need to send these clips to them so you can get them edited. But yeah, so I might come back here. I am so excited, y'all. Like I just can't stop playing in it. I can't stop talking about it. Like I'm so happy. So if you guys did like this video and enjoyed watching me use the products, hopefully I educated you or entertained you in some sort of way, please subscribe to my page. My name is Aaliyah. I do all things natural hair care over here, and I really enjoy doing video reviews for you guys on products and also doing step-by-step tutorials so you can repeat the same process at home and get the exact same results. If you are somebody who has hair like mine who may have a little bit of a looser curl pattern, don't feel ashamed. Don't feel like you don't fit in. Don't feel like you can't show off your curls, because I used to feel like that. I would see everybody around me with like the 4C curls. I'm like, my hair doesn't do any of that. Okay, we got some waves though. We got some rays. I definitely have like, I don't know, like 2B, 3C. What y'all think? But yeah, all that, the 4A, 4B, 4C, girl, my hair could never. So I'll stick with my little 3C curls and be happy, y'all. All right, without further ado, I am gonna let you guys go. So if you guys did enjoy this video, then I know you guys will enjoy this video next. So go ahead and click it, and I'll see you guys in the next one. My name is Aaliyah. This is As Always Aaliyah, where we always keep it real. I'll catch y'all in the next one. Deuces.